Let's take the tops.
Abandoned car. Flat tyre. Oh. There's nothing even left of this thing. No seats, no dash, rotten roof. I guess from the back it's okay, but really there's just nothing left of it. What the hell has happened to this thing? I would not pay that for it. For a car with a roof no good. Rotten interior, like is there anything you can save on this thing? I don't think so. I think it's pretty much to say that looks like it's been in a scrapyard all its life and it's probably going to go back there sometime soon. So that tyre's no good. That tyre's no good. Where do you start if you're going to restore this car? I mean, I appreciate it's a classic vehicle and everything, but I think it's fair to say that it's pretty much almost beyond repair, even though it's a classic vehicle. Oh, we've got 8 good tyre, but that was good. What is it? It's rotten. Look at the roof. It's metal here. No, it's got no engine. But at least you've got comfy interior. No. You'd need like £1 million to get this thing looking really good. The reason it's drawing so much attention is because how rusty and rotten it is. Is that even? I mean, yeah, it's an old car and everything, but I think it's fair to say that there's hardly anything on it that's worth saving. Maybe the front axle, front bumper, maybe. I'm being generous. I guess we can come and look inside through the front. It's a Ford. I mean, okay. I was going to say the bonnet, but it's full of holes, and look at the roof. To get that roof straight, I mean, you're going to want some work doing to this thing, because this, I think it's fair to say that it's had better days. I've seen cars that look, you know, better. Because it's a nice car, but it is just rotten. I guess you can save the boot, but the roof, I mean, I don't know what to say about it. See, it's Spring Automotive Co. French. So I take it they've owned it as like one of them cars for their company, and then they just gave up with it and parked it somewhere, because I don't think it's worth saving looking at it. Or in the rusty one, we've got that car there with a trailer. So we've got a car here, it's a Chevrolet. Nice. We're at the back of the shop with that car, and there's just, I don't know what to say about that car. Like, is there actually anything left of it? So I've took one of these leaflets from the car, and I think I'm just there to take, so I'll take one, but for sale. I don't think someone's going to be buying this like anytime soon, because it has no engine or gearbox. Let's just show you what it says.